I am so proud of Mrs. Berke for being nominated for Leader of the Pack. She is an engaging teacher. She builds strong relationships with students. Students love going to her classroom, and parents compliment her all the time. So we're lucky to have her.
That's awesome. Great. Well, I can't wait to go surprise her, and let's go get her.
I know, let's do it.
Hi, Ms. Berke, how are you? Good. I am Melissa Crana from HR here in the district, and we wanted to come by and let you know that you have been awarded and recognized as our Leader of the Pack awardee for September. Yes, you're welcome.
She's really good at making us learn in a fun way. It's not boring in her class ever. We do really cool labs and stuff.
Ms. Berke makes me feel happy and excited about learning, because the way her assignments are set up, they can be hard, but they're also really fun, and it makes it easy for us to understand. And she's awesome. She's one of the nicest teachers I've had.
Miss Berke shows that she cares about us, because she doesn't just teach us and let us move on. She actually teaches a genuine lesson that gets us higher in the future, gets us prepared for the future.
She's really nice. She said she likes my smile, and she brightens up my day a lot.
She consistently goes above and beyond in her role as a teacher, showing not only a passion for education, but also a genuine love for her students. She invests deeply in their success, offering support inside the classroom and beyond, whether through personalized encouragement, extra help, or showing up at their sporting events to cheer them on. The kids know she is in their court and will be there with them through whatever they need. Beyond her students, she lifts up everyone around her, fellow teachers, staff, and parents, with her encouragement, positivity, and the kind of smile that can brighten anyone's day. Just a simple hello from her makes the school a better place. She exemplifies everything you want in not only a teacher, but also a role model, mentor, and leader. She inspires her students to achieve their best while demonstrating the kind of mentorship and care that leaves a lasting impact. Thank you so much, Ms. Berke, for being a Leader of the Pack.